Hi, in this session, we will see how to implement filter concept. Let's say, for example, what we required here is we are going to process from this data only the records belongs to ABC. Only we need to process ABC, the name ABC. How many records we have? One, two, like three records, right? Only three records it has to process from here. Then that is a filter concept. Or we are going to exclude ABC. Other than ABC, remaining all records it has to process. That is the another approach. In this both the situations, we are going to implement filter concept. Before that, if you want to implement a filter, we need the tag approach. We need to implement a tags for that particular work queue. When you come to this work queue, if you observe here in our control room, what we have? We have only item IDs. Do we have any other information here? No, right? Then how we are going to filter based on your name, based on any other specific column? It is not possible, right? For that, what we need to do is first we need to add tag here. Once we have added a tag for that specific column, based on the tag, you can able to filter the data. Let's see how to add that particular tag to the work queue. When you come to work queue, here when you are adding the data to the work queue, see this, we are giving work queue name and then collection name. At the same time, here we have a concept called tag, right? This is nothing but you are going to specify your column name. Which column you need to add a tag? We need to add a tag for name, right? For name, it should be caps. It's a case sensitive name I've given. The same way how we have their name, right? Caps, same way we have given here. Okay, now based on this particular name, it is going to add tags to your work queue. Let's observe this. We are running this one. Now let's see how it is going to add our tags to that particular work queue. Now it has added all the data, right? It has added all the data to the work queue. Come to work queue and refresh it. Observe this. How many records we have? 10 records. But what is the tag? All tag names is ABC. Why it is happening here? But what is the tag names here? Different names we have. This is because of work queue functionality. Work queue functionality. When you come here, let's observe this. What it is doing is this particular add to work queue, it is adding all the data from your work queue, all the data to work queue from our collection, right? At the same time, it is dumping all the records because this is not a loop. Loop one by one it will process, but here it is dumping all the records at the same time from collection to work queue. When it is dumping, the tag functionality here is it will pick the first record name. First record name. What is the value of the first record? ABC. It will holding that particular name. When it holds that particular name, the work queue, it is adding all the collection records to that particular work queue data. At the same time, it is dumping. But what is the value in the tag? ABC. The same ABC, it is dumping to all the records. That's why we are getting for all the records same name here, right? But this is not the right approach. To overcome this, what we are going to do is we are going to implement single row collection concept. We will see that in next session how to implement single rows collection. Thank you.